4 people were last night injured in an attempted attack on a Chinese road construction site in Shimbirey, about 50 kilometers from Garissa town. Confirming the injuries, County Police Commander David Kerina, who was among the top security officials who visited the scene, said swift response by the police on receiving tips of the attack helped save lives. According to terrified locals who spoke to the media on condition of anonymity, 8 hooded militants, all armed with AK-47 rifles, kidnapped a man from a nearby village and ordered him to take them to the Chinese construction camp. As they approached the camp, they allegedly started shooting indiscriminately, prompting the workers who were housed outside the fenced camp to scatter for safety. Police say security officers guarding the camp returned fire and in about 15 minutes were able to repulse the militants who fled to nearby thicket. During the shootout, the wife of one of the security guards manning the gate was shot from behind and a bullet is said to be lodged in her shoulder. She was rushed to the Garissa County Referral Hospital where she is admitted and in stable condition. The other 3 were injured as they scampered for safety, including the husband to the injured woman. The police say they are pursuing the militants who allegedly escaped on foot towards the Dadaab area.
Watu 8 ambao walikuwa wamejihami silaha kali ndio wameingia. Hiyo watu vile waliingia hawakufaulu. Askari ambao walikuwa tayari alert ndio walipata na walifukuzwa.
Nilisikia risasi zimeanza kulia na kusikia hizo risasi zikilia, mimi nilitoroka kuingia kwa msitu. Hata saa hii ndio nimekuja hapa.